this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your CASCHO headset, Bluetooth headset, to your iPhone 14. This is iPhone 14 Plus, could be iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max, or any other version of Apple phone could be. So what you have to do, so unlock your phone. This is better, and this one should have charged properly. This is 95%. Let me open this one. Close. Probably they should detect one another. If you don't see anything, probably it should detect, but no, in this case you have to slide down. You have Bluetooth option here. Tap this one. Let's see, here doesn't appear anything. I hit Bluetooth setting. So you guys see here I have BX17. This headset is detected. Hit this one. As you see here, BX17 is connected. Let me, is working. I put in the mic. Is working fine. So this is how you can connect your CASCHO or any Bluetooth headset to your iPhone 14 or any version of Apple phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.